Hi guys, कैसे हैं सब लोग? I hope all of you are great and doing amazing. And quickly tell me that you guys are here and I'm waiting for you. And today is going to be an amazing session on English communication. And I hope all of you are doing great. Okay, I can see some students are already here. Hi, Hi, Humaira, and hi, Devyanshi, and hi, Deepu Kumar. Hi, Abha Reshwal. So I am like a bit, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Alrighty. Hi, Prince. So you guys can see me and listen to me. Just say yes, ma'am. You're audible and you're visible. And we'll begin with the session. Today I have planned a very fun session for you guys. And also, I would like you to watch this video in high quality if you can, so that it will be more fun and you can see what I've written on the slides. Okay? Hi, Simi Kumari. ठीक है, I'm audible and visible as well. Perfect है, ठीक है. So, guys, now, for anybody who's new to my channel and who's new to this particular session and who is seeing my face for the very first time, let me just introduce myself to you. My name is Shweta Singh and I am your English educator for class 10 CBSE, and I have over 5 years of teaching experience and I've taught various examinations. For example, I've done international examinations and I've taught students for domestic examinations as well. For example, state boards and CBSE, so on and so forth. So, yeah, I'm doing great, guys. Hi, Samradini. Hi, Anuradha. सभी बच्चों को हेलो हेलो हाय हाय एंड आई होप आप सब लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया हो और बहुत ही अच्छे से जो है अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रहे हो, बसर कर रहे हो. आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट, गाइस. हाय अर्पिता. ओके. So, guys, what are we discussing today? As you have seen already कि हम लोगों का जो टॉपिक है वो क्या है. मैंने आप लोगों को कल भी बता दिया था कि हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो क्या होगा. हमारा टॉपिक होगा आज का communication in English. So, we are going to be talking about English language in totality and how to improve your communication when it comes to speaking in English language or having a conversation in English language. Because I see most of the students are fear stricken in the sense that they have a lot of fear when it comes to speaking in English language, and they feel that they're not up to the task because they do not have command over grammar in English language, or they do not know the vocabulary, they do not know the words in which they can speak their thoughts out. So there are a lot of issues. Okay, but कोई बात नहीं है, हम लोग आज इन सारे issues के बारे में बात करेंगे. Yes. So let us wait for some more students to join us for like 2 minutes maximum. And in this time, I will tell you a little bit about an academy's new offers. So we people have launched new offers for you guys, and I just hope कि you take part in all of that so that आप लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्ती करें हमारे साथ. ठीक है? Also, I thought that we're talking about communication in English, so maybe today I should talk completely in English and I should not use Hindi in the class. But if you guys want otherwise, you can just let me know in the comments. Tell me if you want today's class to be in English or in Hindi. Hi, Ashish Vlad. Hello. All right. Okay, and this is going to be an amazing session, and I'm going to be telling you a lot of tips and shortcuts that have really worked well for me. And maybe those personal experiences can inspire you and can motivate you and provide you some sort of tricks that can help you out. And maybe you can also learn to make your own shortcuts through these things. Okay. Okay, Amod Trivedi says in English, ma'am. Arpita says in English. Manvi says both. Ma'am, a letter to God textbook question कब करवाओगे? Okay. Anuradha will be covering a letter to God textbook questions today at 8 p.m. Alright, तो मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस लिख कर लाऊंगी आपके लिए उनके आंसर्स, और उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ऑब्वियसली. तो आज रात 8 बजे हम अ लेटर टू गॉड के वो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लेंगे और फिर हमारा अ लेटर टू गॉड खत्म हो जाएगा, और आज रात ही हम लोग जो है थोड़ी सी क्विज करेंगे अ लेटर टू गॉड के ऊपर. ठीक है? मानवी सेज इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो. ठीक है. All right, guys. So when I'll begin the session, I'll definitely talk in English. I see a lot of students are interested and really excited to see me talk in English. I will completely heed your suggestion. I will talk in English. Okay. Just गिव मी 2 मिनट्स एंड उतने टाइम में मैं आपको जो है ये ऑफर समझा देती हूँ. दिस आई विल स्पीक इन हिंदी सो दैट जितने ही बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर उनको समझ आ जाए अच्छे से कि ये हमारा क्या है. सो गाइज आई थिंक यू ऑलरेडी नो अनअकैडमी का कॉम्बैट हुआ था राइट अभी हमारा लास्ट संडे को 18 अप्रैल को और उसमें बहुत सारे बच्चों ने जो है पार्टिसिपेट किया था एंड दे एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड द कॉन्टेस्ट. सो नाउ वी आर कमिंग बैक अप with this particular contest and this quiz for you again. and इस क्विज में हम लोग क्या करेंगे हमारा 25 अप्रैल को ये कॉम्बैट है. इसमें हम लोग अगेन हम लोग मैथ साइंस का क्विज लेंगे एंड सब्जेक्ट्स का क्विज लेंगे आपसे एंड अगेन टॉप 3 विनर्स को सीबीएसई क्लास 10 प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन मुफ्त मिलेगा और टॉप 300 विनर्स को स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगा. कितने में से 1 करोड़ से भी ऊपर के पूल में से. so this is an amazing offer for you guys. it is back again and I think जितने बच्चों ने पिछली बार नहीं किया था इस बार करो शायद इस बार आपको मौका मिल जाए जीतने का. ठीक है क्योंकि विनर्स तो ऑलरेडी निकल चुके हैं. आदित्य यादव द टाइमिंग फॉर our class is 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. However, I have a big news for you guys. It is actually a surprise. I will give you 2 tasks to do today and उनके बारे में बात करूंगी. तो आप लोग जो है मुझे आज ही इसी क्लास के नीचे कमेंट्स में उन चीज़ों का जल्दी से जवाब दे देंगे. ठीक है ओके. हाय आयुष चौहान. हाँ अनुराधा कश्यप ने ऑलरेडी कंजंक्शन प्रपोजिशन बोल दिया है. आई चेक प्रणीताज कमेंट ऑन वन ऑफ माय वीडियोस आल्सो एंड उसमें भी कंजंक्शन प्रपोजिशंस आया था. सो यस आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज गाइस. ओके हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. जस्ट गिव मी 2 मिनट्स. तो अनअकैडमी का कॉम्बैट ऑफर बच्चों क्लास 9th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी अब चालू हो गया है. क्लास 9th के स्टूडेंट्स का भी जो है 12 बजे तो क्लास 10th का 11 बजे और क्लास 9th का 12 बजे जो है 25 अप्रैल को कॉम्बैट होगा और इसमें जो है स्कॉलरशिप टॉप 150 विनर्स को मिलेगी और क्लास 9th का सब्सक्रिप्शन टॉप 3 विनर्स को मिलेगा. सो दिस इज ऑब्वियसली अमेजिंग फॉर क्लास 9th एंड क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स बोथ. एंड आई थिंक जो भी आप लोग जानते हो क्लास 9th के बच्चों को या आप क्लास 10th में हो प्लीज़ जाकर दोबारा से पार्टिसिपेट करिएगा. एंड हमारा जो न्यू एकेडमिक ऑफर है वो भी बच्चों एक्सटेंड हो गया है. सो प्लीज़ यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिएगा कि दिस ऑफर इज स्टिल ऑन योर कार्ड्स. you guys can subscribe to an academy's app for 12 months 18 months 24 months 36 months और इसके लिए आप लोग अगर अप्लाई करेंगे और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आप लोग आराम से जो है आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा. माने कि 2 मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा 3 मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा 4 मंथ्स 5 मंथ्स आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन और साथ ही साथ फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन भी बच्चों आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा. सो दिस मीन्स कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग ऑफर है. बहुत कुछ मुफ्त में और फ्री में मिल रहा है आपको अनअकैडमी से और जब चीज़ें मुफ्त में मिलती है और फ्री में मिलती है ना तो हमें उनको अनदेखा नहीं करना चाहिए. ठीक है तो फर्स्ट 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स को बच्चों ये वाला ऑफर है अभी भी उनके लिए चालू है और फर्स्ट 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स को क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का एक्सेस भी मिलेगा. ठीक है तो प्लीज़ सभी बच्चे जल्दी से जाके सीबीएसई की ऐप पर सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आप लोग स्पेशल क्लासेस भी देख सकें. एंड यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो दैट अनअकैडमी हैज़ अ न्यू फीचर विच इज़ कॉल्ड आस्क अ डाउट एंड what you can do here is that you can ask any doubt that you have in your syllabus. आप लोगों को बस क्या करना है बुक से उसका फोटो खींचना है अनअकैडमी के आस्क अ डाउट पर क्लिक करना है यहाँ से पिक्चर लेना है वो पिक्चर खींचना है और पिक्चर खींच के अपने उस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से क्रॉप करना है कि भैया इतना ही क्वेश्चन का पार्ट है और फिर आपको हमें सब्जेक्ट बताना है कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट से क्वेश्चन है एंड यू विल गेट अ मैचिंग वीडियो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर. what will you get? You will get a matching video. ठीक है तो आपको वीडियो सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. All right guys okay so now please remember that you post only one doubt at once and you do not post handwritten pictures and you post clear images. All right and post your doubts through an academy app only. Now, an academy subscription provides you a lot of things. And what are these things? These things are actually a lot more. जो यहाँ पे लिखा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा है बट यहाँ पर जो लिखी हैं चीज़ें उनके बारे में हम बात कर लेते हैं. You will be getting a chance to get teaching or to get your education from the top educators of India and you will also be getting doubt clearing sessions और live पढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा अपने बैच में पढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा टेस्ट सीरीज होंगी सिलेबस पूरा कवर होगा और बहुत कुछ प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट होंगे डेली प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन होगा वीकली मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज होगी बच्चे बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग एक्चुअली. आप लोगों को बस क्या करना है मेरा कोड डालना है विच इज़ SHS10 और ये कोड डालते ही आपको इस पूरे के पूरे सब्सक्रिप्शन पर 10% ऑफ मिल जाएगा. एंड रिमेंबर अगर आप लोग 12 मंथ्स वाला सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो 12 मंथ्स में आपको 2 मंथ्स एक्स्ट्रा भी मिलेंगे. राइट, और ऐसे ही अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा वाला लेते हो तो कहीं ज़्यादा और जो है आपको चीज़ें एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगी। तो आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस, और कोड अप्लाई करके लोगे तो और सस्ता पड़ेगा, तो मतलब कि भारी छूट चल रही है। एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर द आइकॉनिक स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली, सो आई बिलीव ओनली आइकॉनिक स्टूडेंट्स एंड टॉपर्स आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड you should really go for it. In this subscription, what are you going to get? You're going to get the teacher all for yourself. माने के टीचर आपके डिस्पोजल पर होगा, पर्सनल मेंटर होगा, वन ऑन वन सेशन होगा, पीटीएम भी होगा, पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग भी होगा, तो आपके पेरेंट्स जो है हमारे मुंह से सुन सकते हैं कि आप कितनी अच्छी पढ़ाई करते हो। एंड देन लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशंस होंगे, वीकली रिपोर्ट आपको मिलेगी, स्टडी प्लानर भी मिलेगा। जो बच्चे पूछते हैं कि मैम कैसे पढ़े, उनको अब स्टडी प्लानर भी मिला करेगा। तो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट use the code SHS10 and buy the Unacademy subscription, ठीक है? Alrighty, ताकि आपको 10% ऑफ मिल जाए। Now guys, आगे बढ़ते हैं। So I was actually talking about English communication, and we're going to crack English communication today. Now इतनी देर में देख लेती हूँ, अगर किसी नए बच्चे ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है तो हाय कृतिका कार्तिपन, and Arpita says, I have taken an Academy subscription. That's great, Arpita, that you've taken an Academy subscription. It's amazing. When did you take it? मैम कुछ बच्चे तो पीटीएम के नाम से ही डर जाएंगे। आयुष चौहान, कुछ बच्चे डर जाएंगे, बट मुझे लगता है मेरी क्लास में टॉपर्स आते हैं और आप लोग नहीं डरोगे। सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर द आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन, या फिर एटलीस्ट अन अकेडमी के प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन पर आप जा सकते हैं और कोड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं SHS10, ठीक है? Hi Samprit Gaming, I'm doing great. Hi Samratini, I'm doing great. Alrighty, ठीक है। Hi Fatma, welcome to the class. अब बच्चों हम लोग आज बात, oh alright. So yeah, I have to talk in English. If anybody thinks कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, दिमाग से ऊपर निकल रहा है, तो मुझे बता देना. I will translate that for you in Hindi. But since today's class is all about English communication, I decided that maybe I should talk in English. Alright, if any one of you has any concerns against this, please put that in your comments and I will try to pay heed to it. Okay, Manvi says, ma'am, I have gone to an Academy Iconic subscription. That is great, Manvi. That is absolutely amazing. So you're going to be having a lot of fun, right? Okay. You had taken or you have taken? Okay, which reference books are the best, ma'am? Arpita Mishra, I think, see, so I don't think you've attended my strategy session. In my strategy session, I made it absolutely clear that you need not any reference books, or you do not need any guides or any keys to help you pass the exam or to get good grades. I think you should be perfectly original and you should learn from the original source, and in that way, you'll be able to have great marks. All right? Yes, Ayush Chahan, you are not supposed to use reference books. All right, guys. Okay. So now let's talk about English communication and what things we're going to cover in this particular session. And I would be interacting with you guys a lot. I would need a lot of input from you guys because this session is all for you, okay? Not for me. So the things that we are going to discuss today are these. We're going to be talking about ideas. We are going to be talking about some tips as to how you can improve your communication. We're going to be definitely talking about our accent as Indians. We're going to be talking about some suggestions that I will give you, and maybe those suggestions are not approved, or I would say your parents will not approve those suggestions, but they are there and you have to do them. And we're going to be talking about your confidence, and we're also going to be talking about the way you carry yourself, and another suggestion will be there, so we can come back to this slide in the end. Now let us move forward and let us move to our first point. First of all, I want to ask from you guys, how many of you feel threatened by the English language? I have this question to you guys. How many of you feel threatened by the English language, or how many of you feel threatened when you're in proximity to someone who is fluent in English? Let me know. Guys, I have asked you a question. Manvi says, ma'am, not me. Okay. Any other student who feels threatened by someone who speaks good English or is fluent in English, is confident while he's speaking or communicating with you or with other people? or I mean anybody who just feels threatened either by somebody who speaks good English or by English language. Ayush says, Ma'am, I used to be threatened. Okay, Ayush, so it means that you've grown up. No, Gaurav, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just looking at students' comments. Alrighty. Arpita says, not so much, but sometimes. Okay. Fatma says, no, ma'am. And Fatma says, I don't feel threatened. Gaurav, if you have any input, please tell us. Anybody else? Anybody else trying to tell me कि हाँ भैया मैम हमें दिक्कत होती है इस भाषा से हमें अंग्रेजी भाषा से दिक्कत होती है okay Amod Trivedi says ma'am stage fear and when I joined an academy plus then my threat blew away. That's great, Ayush Shahan. So I'm actually very happy to know that an academy helped you in leaving your threat behind. That's great. All right, so I can see that a lot of students in my class do not have the fear, but then I do not have a lot of students in my class. So, but if you look at, let's say, a lot of people around you, including your parents, maybe including your other friends, they will be threatened by somebody who speaks in English or who constantly talks in English and is very comfortable with him or herself. Right, you would feel threatened by that, or your friends would feel threatened by that. Maybe if you are too good in English, maybe your friends call you अंग्रेज, है ना, or your friends call you कि अंग्रेज चले गए बच्चा यहीं छोड़ गए अपना, something like that, something which makes you feel threatened as to, or which makes you feel sad as to why maybe you are fluent in English and not other people around you, right? गौरव ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, आपने मुझे कोई कमेंट नहीं दिया है. अच्छा हाय मैम बोल रहे हो, ठीक है बेटा, हाय. I can understand, but I can't speak fluently. Okay, Humaira says, ma'am, but when I watch an English movie or something, I look for subtitles. Fatima, you're not the only one. Everybody looks for subtitles when they watch movies in English because the native speakers speak so fast and they also use so many abbreviations. They use so many contractions which may not be a part of standard English language that we have to look for the subtitles. So don't worry. Don't worry. It's completely normal. I'm totally exhausted by playing, so I'm studying now. Arey, great, Ayush. Great. Great. Okay. Um, yes, ma'am, this thing is right. Okay. I can understand, but I cannot speak fluently. Okay, Abhar Aishwal says this. Koi baat nahi, guys. Koi baat nahi. So now, let's come back to the things that we are afraid of. For example, a lot of people in India are afraid of English language. Like मैंने अपनी introductory video में कहा था कि बहुत दुनिया पूछती कि मैम communication कैसे अच्छा करें English language में, right? So this is one of the major things जो हमारी दुनिया में ना बहुत बड़ा issue है और actually भारत में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है because the education is not at par here, right? So Gaurav, guys, please stop asking me personal questions कि मैं कहाँ से हूँ, कहाँ रहती हूँ and all that. Please, I will not be able to reply to them and फिर आप बोलोगे कि मैम आप ignore कर रहे हो. So try to be mindful that you're in a class and this is sort of still a professional setup. All right? ठीक है. Okay. Alrighty. तो अब जो है सबसे पहला पॉइंट गाइस जो मुझे लगता है ना कि हमें अपने कम्युनिकेशन पे वर्क कराएगा वो है आइडियाज. Now, how many of you abide by this point that we need to have ideas in our mind in order to speak something? Like, for example, you would see a lot of people saying that my mind is blank. You understand what mind being blank means? Somebody tell me. Manvi says, I can understand and speak English fluently, but when I see native speaking English, I can't understand them. Manvi is perfectly all right. I mean, it's okay if you say that, to be honest. They have their accent. They also speak extremely fast, and it's almost like they are rapping. So, hi, good evening, Suresh Mishra. And it's okay, Gaurav, no worries. Just be in the class and listen to what I'm saying. Okay. So now, how many of you, I was asking, how many of you think that we need to have really good ideas and really amazing ideas in order to be able to speak? अभी मैं इंग्लिश की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm not talking about English communication. I'm just talking about simple communication. It can be in Hindi language. It can be in any mother tongue that you have, any other mother tongue, or it can be in the English language. You need to tell me how many of you think that we need to have ideas and that too amazing ideas in order to be able to speak? Right. So blank means I'm not able to get any idea. Yes, Manvi, that's completely correct. Completely correct. I agree, ma'am. Okay. ठीक है, Reenal Shah agrees with the point. Amod Trivedi agrees with the point. Acha, okay. Guys, tell me one thing. Do you think that if I don't have any idea in my mind, I will still be able to speak anything? Like, for example, just imagine. Okay, now let's take this out of this context. Let's just imagine you are sitting amongst your friends, and you're just having fun and you're chilling with them and you're just watching a movie and stuff, and they're talking about, let's say, some political issue or some economic issue that you do not have any idea of. Would you be able to speak? Would you be able to contribute to that particular conversation? Would you be able to? It's completely bollocks to imagine that you would be able to, right? Because you do not know about it, you do not have any ideas about it. So first of all, it is really important to start generating ideas in your mind. Okay, it's really important to start generating ideas. Hi Janvi, good afternoon. Okay, Ayush says, ma'am, I don't think. Yeah, guys. So it's really important to start generating ideas in your mind, whether they are in English or they are in Hindi. We'll come to that later on. But first of all, really important to generate ideas in your mind. So it is really important to receive information and process that information and then to employ your own ideas. Okay, it's really important to do that. I will tell you some mistakes that a lot of speakers do. I will tell you some mistakes. For example, a lot of speakers in English language, especially Indians, they keep using these some words again and again, right? Time and again, they keep using these words, and it sort of becomes a part of their basic vocabulary to use these words. For example, you might have noticed some teachers or some students or some people around you constantly speaking the word like. This is a word, like, right? Hi, Shubham Chauhan. No, we won't only make a tika. Okay, actually is most common. Right, Shubham Chauhan. Actually is also common. Basically is also common. I'll tell you, very is also common. Particularly is also common. And in today's colloquial age, you know, is actually the most common. So I'm writing this down separately. You know is the word most common. For example, you're talking to your friends and they would say, I mean, people do this kind of thing, right, you've seen it too. So they'll just keep repeating the word rather than explaining the whole concept or the idea to, or rather than explaining the visual that you've seen or they have seen, right? So they'll just keep explaining this. Sorry, they'll just keep repeating, rather than explaining this. Yes, Shubham Chauhan, I mean. Yes, I mean is also again here. Now, a lot of these words become such a great part of your vocabulary that you seem to miss out on the actual important parts of your vocabulary. For example, there is another word called things and stuff. Called things and stuff. Okay. Now, these particular words are so common in today's era that people do not even need to describe or affix a good adjective or a good noun with this quality that they are giving to this stuff, right? For example, I'm saying, let's say, this is a beautiful pen and it's made of the stuff. So I have used the word and I've used the word stuff, but what do you mean by stuff? I mean, you would obviously get the stuff like it's made of plastic or it's made of glass or something, but they would not go to the length of describing that particular thing to you, right? The specific thing to you. So a lot of times it's okay to use these words. You can use the word particularly, you can use the word like, actually, basically, a lot of times it's okay, but it is not okay to keep them in your vocabulary in every sentence, in every other sentence that you're speaking. I have personally seen a lot of people doing this, and in the end, they think that they're not really good communicators, and it is absolutely true. They're not. They're confusing the other person. They're just repeating the same set of words over and over again, and they think that they are effectively transferring their idea into words, and they are effectively making the other person understand their idea. So please, number one thing that And you need to do in your life is that you do not need to use these words in your vocabulary repetitively. Okay, do not repeat these words. All of you, write down these words quickly in your copy and never repeat these words. Whenever you need to use them, it's completely okay. For example, I also need to use particularly, I also need to use the word like, I need to use the word actually, basically. It's okay, but not too often. Okay, not too often, not frequently. Ayush Chauhan says, ma'am, my neighbor do so. Does so आएगा ना आयुष? Singular है neighbor. ठीक है. So yeah, this is a very common thing. I mean, you would have seen this happening a lot. Now, I said I mean because I needed to explain the sentence that I said previously. And it's okay to use them sometimes, but it's not okay to use them a lot. All right, ma'am, they even use in paragraph writing. Shubham Chauhan, are you serious? They do? I mean, I have never read a paragraph which uses these words constantly, but yes, I think the word like and the word basically are some of the words that can be used constantly in a paragraph. Okay. Alrighty. ठीक है? So all of you have written these words down and I hope everybody has understood. Come on guys, quickly tell me, yes ma'am, we will not use them repetitively in our language. You would definitely see a lot of teachers using these words constantly in their language, and that is how you know they do not have command over the language. That is how you know they're not confident. That is how you know they lack ideas, right? Or they lack the patience to take a pause in middle of their sentence and think and then speak. That is how you know, that is how you look into the soul of a person, I tell you. Okay. Hi Omar, welcome to the class. Hi Tanveer. So all of you have understood. Quickly say yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Jaldi jaldi jaldi. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Then I'll move on to the next point. And I'll tell you shortcuts. तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा शॉर्टकट है कि यहाँ पर आपको नहीं यूज करना है. मैम कल किस टॉपिक की क्लास है? Okay, tomorrow guys at 8 p.m. we have poetic devices and we will be discussing these poetic devices. ठीक है? Okay, Amod says, yes, ma'am, we will not use these words. Amod, it's not about not using these words. You can definitely use these words. Just make sure that you're not repetitive, okay, in the use. Okay, everybody says yes. Perfect. Now let us move on to the next part. So I was talking about ideas, and I think it's pretty basic when I say that you need to generate your own ideas. You need to have ideas in your mind. You cannot stay blank. So I'll tell you something from my personal experience. I used to teach students for IELTS and TOEFL, and these are the examinations. Wherein you get to sit in front of an examiner and you need to talk to them in English language, and they'll assess you. They'll tell you that you speak good English or not, or that you're eloquent speaker or not, or that you're fluent in English or not. Okay. But these students, it doesn't matter whether they were good in English or they were not, they would get so stuck in front of an examiner, mostly because of fear. And secondly, they would tell me that, ma'am, we were at a loss. We did not have any ideas in our mind. So they used to get blank because of the fear, right? Because of the fear of assessment, that somebody would judge them for their skill. And judging somebody is actually a skill that you need to have and also need not to have. So I'll explain that also. So right now, getting blank is the point that I am talking about. So in order to not get blank, what are the things that you can do in your life so that you're always filled with ideas to speak and you have a really critical mind to assess things on your own? So we'll talk about that as well. Hi Radhika Mittal. Okay, ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Now, this was an example I wanted to give you. It says artists are more confident. So I want to ask first all of you, how many of you think that artists are actually the most confident people on our planet, to be honest? How many of you think that? Tell me. Tanveer says no idea. Yes, Raju, you're late, but it's okay. We're talking about English communication, so you can join. I have a question. How many of you think artists are actually the most confident people on this planet? Hi, Mansi. आयुष सेज आई थिंक. मैम कल किस टॉपिक की क्लास होगी? उमर, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, कल हम लोग पोएटिक डिवाइसेस पे क्लास लेंगे 8 बजे. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ 2 hour क्लास. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ मैराथन सेशन. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे पोएटिक डिवाइसेस कवर करूंगी एंड आई डू नो दैट यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू हैव प्रॉब्लम्स इन दैट. टुडे आई एम लेट ना मैम? यस मानसी, यू आर लेट, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, फातिमा सेज यस. Azam says hello, hello, because they go through a hatred or from this thing every day. Manvi, I did not understand what you were trying to say. Yes, ma'am, as they draw whatever comes to their idea. Okay, I'm not really talking about painters. I'm just talking about every kind of an artist. Rahul Mandal, 8 p.m. रात को 8 बजे, ठीक है? As they have to show their art and they're artists as they have art. Okay, a lot of art, Ayush. मैम अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ाया? मानसी जरूरी, मैंने अभी तक देखो, हम कम्युनिकेशन और इंग्लिश के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने अभी तक एक ही पार्ट कवर किया है, विच इज दैट यू नीड टू हैव आइडियाज एंड यू नीड नॉट बी ब्लैंक. एंड मानसी, जस्ट लुक एट दिस स्लाइड. दीज आर सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स दैट यू डू नॉट नीड टू यूज repetitively in your communication because they show that you do not have confidence when you're speaking and that you do not think properly while you're speaking. Okay, so these are the things we have covered. हाय मैम, क्लास 9th इंग्लिश ग्रामर कब से स्टार्ट करेंगे? बेटा क्लास 9th 10th सबकी ग्रामर सेम ही होती है सौरभ. तो वी आर ऑलरेडी कवरिंग ग्रामर. आई हैव कवर्ड 3 टॉपिक्स इन ग्रामर. प्लीज कैच अप एंड देन मीट मी टुमारो एट इन द 8 p.m. क्लास. ठीक है, ऑलराइटी. तो हम लोग कहाँ पे थे? हम लोग आर्टिस्ट के ऊपर थे. गाइस क्विकली, आई हैव आंसर फ्रॉम हुमायरा, दिव्यांशी. आई हैव आंसर्स फ्रॉम अमोद त्रिवेदी एंड आयुष चौहान. मोहम्मद उमर, हमने अभी ना बच्चे लिटरेचर स्टार्ट किया है. पूरा साल है हमारे पास ये चीज़ें कवर करने का. ये सारी चीज़ें हम एंड में कवर करते हैं कि कैसे हम शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग आंसर्स लिखें, कैसे हम शॉर्टकट्स बनाएं चीज़ों के. ये सब हम कवर करेंगे, बट पहले हम थोड़ा सा पढ़ लें. अभी तो हमारा एक चैप्टर भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, राइट? कम से कम 3-4 चैप्टर के बाद मैं ये चीज़ें उठाऊँ तो दिमाग या लॉजिक लगेगा ना इनमें इंसान का. पहले से कैसे लग जाएगा जब आपने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है तो, राइट? सौरभ कुमार, बेसिक से ही स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं. बेसिक और एडवांस सीरीज चल रही है हमारी, सो बेसिक ही पढ़ा है मैंने अभी. Okay, a lot of people say yes, ma'am. So guys, let's come back to artist wala slide. Now look at this slide, okay? Look at this closely, and you'll see that I have this pie chart, and in this pie chart, I have said that 70% artists are more confident, and I would say when it comes to a person who's not an artist, then among these people only 30% are more or less confident. So communication in English and communication in Hindi as well, they both come from confidence, right? They both come from a sense of self love and confidence. That is what actually transcends to this particular communication. So when we're talking about communication, you need to understand that why artists have more confidence than normal people. Can somebody tell me why artists have more confidence? मैम कल से न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट कीजिएगा क्लास 9th का क्या? सौरभ कुमार, फिलहाल तो ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है. राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग ऑन क्लास 10th, बट आई लेट यू नो गाइज. अनुराधा कश्यप, नहीं कल 3 p.m. पे क्लास नहीं है. ओके, कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाई आर्टिस्ट हैव मोर कॉन्फिडेंस? Look at this photo. Now tell me why. See, artists, they think about a lot of things, right? Artists are always filled with creative ideas and they need to find different mediums to showcase their creative ideas, right? Or to exhibit their creative ideas to people. So, in that sense, they're always searching for ways to communicate. Essentially what they're doing, they're always searching for ways to communicate their ideas. And this is why, because artists, for example, if you talk about an actor needs to get into the skin of his character, right? And then make other people feel what the character is feeling. In a similar way, a painter needs to exhibit his paintings to a large crowd. And in a similar way, let's say a dancer has to dance in front of a large crowd on a stage. So they become used to it. Maybe they are also scared when they begin being an artist, so to say, or when they begin enriching their craft. But afterwards, they become confident, right, in their craft. So artists become confident because they keep practicing it, and they keep looking for mediums to communicate their ideas. Remember that they keep looking for mediums to communicate their ideas. All right, and over time, they become confident. because they have to represent themselves in public. Completely correct, Ammu Trivedi. Yes, they are used to it. Okay. And maybe due to more and more past experiences and situations. Definitely, Janvi, you guys are absolutely correct. Now, all of you or any other person who has a problem in communication, they have to think of themselves as an artist. They have to always keep thinking, how can I better communicate this? How can I say this better? For example, हिंदी में बात करती हूँ 2 सेकंड के लिए. हम लोग की ना किसी के साथ बहुत ही तगड़ी लड़ाई हो जाती है ना. हम लोग सभी लोगों की लड़ाई होती है कि एक दूसरे से होती है, घर वालों से होती है, दोस्तों से होती है, किसी ना किसी से लड़ाई होती रहती है अपनी. और हम लोग ना उस लड़ाई में बहुत बोलते, सामने वाला ही बहुत बोलता है. कभी कभार हम जीत जाते, कई बार हम नहीं जीत पाते हैं. और हम लोग हमेशा ना घर आके सोचते हैं कि यार मुझे ना ये चीज ना ऐसे कहनी चाहिए थी, तो मैं उसका मुंह ही तोड़ देती, वो कभी बोल ही नहीं पाता. राइट. तो हम लोग हमेशा यही सोचते हैं कि सेकेंड थॉट्स हमारे हमेशा आते हैं कि यार ऐसे करना चाहिए था, ये करना चाहिए था, यार वैसे करना चाहिए था. राइट. सो दिस ऑलवेज हैपेंस. नाउ दिस इज योर आर्टिस्ट, सो टू से. It makes you think the situation, that makes you think how you could have done it in a better way, right? How you could have done it in a better way, how you could have spoken the anger that was there inside you, and how you could have verbalized it in a better way, right? How you could have verbalized it in a better way. Abha Reshwal, I know this because this happens to everybody in this world. Okay, this happens to everybody in this world. Hi Harsh. Yes, you're late, but it's okay. We're just having fun chit chat. ठीक है. तो भैया अपने को ऐसा लगता है कि अपन लोगों ने वहां पर अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्म नहीं किया, क्योंकि अपन लोगों ने वहां पर जाके उसको उतना सुनाया नहीं जितना अपन लोग सुना सकते थे. और ये हम सबके साथ होता है. दिस इज कॉमन. ठीक है. So this is you, this is your soul, this is your heart telling you that you could have done it better, you could have spoken better, or you could have said better expletives, और ज़्यादा चिल्ला चिल्ला के जो भी है आप लोगों का, जो भी उससे कंक्लूजन निकलता है, आप लोग जो भी खुद को फीडबैक देते हो, you're doing self analysis and you're giving yourself feedback, aren't you? These are the two things that you do. Write them down. You do self analysis and you give yourself feedback. So, first of all, you're analyzing yourself. So, I think the first step in communication or in better communication is to do self analysis and give yourself feedback. Right? You need to speak to yourself for 2 minutes, and then you need to analyze what you've spoken and you need to give yourself feedback. That is the first step ever to improve your communication. When you come to English language specifically, you would obviously be speaking English and analyzing your English, whether it was self analysis, right? So whether it was grammatically correct or not, whether the content was appropriate or not, you will be analyzing it and then you will be giving yourself a feedback. All right, so this is the first step. Write this down. Okay. Ayush says, sometimes I think I want to have a time machine. Definitely, Ayush, you're 100% correct. Yeah, we all want a time machine कि जाके ना उस बंदे को एक बार मुंह तोड़ ही दे. ठीक है. Now, hi Tanveer. Yes, it is honest. Obviously, it is honest. Yeah. ठीक है. तो अब क्या है ना, नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग इज नॉलेज. ठीक है. इन ऑर्डर टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश यू नीड नॉलेज. तो आर्टिस्ट के पास ना नॉलेज होती है ऑलरेडी. यू नीड टू थिंक ऑफ योर सेल्फ इन टर्म्स ऑफ एन आर्टिस्ट एंड यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू आर लैकिंग इन, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट ही इज बेनिफिटिंग फ्रॉम. तो the artist is benefiting from practice and he's benefiting from knowledge and he's benefiting from his creativity. These are the three things that an artist has, and you need to have these three things. You need to have knowledge, right? Knowledge of English language in this particular case. You need to have creativity, as in you need to know how to speak something in various ways. And the third thing was our analysis and our practice, right? So you can do these three things on your own. हर्ष से टाइम मशीन होती तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान की बैंड बजा देता. भाई इधर उधर मत जाओ, इंडिया पाकिस्तान की बात में मत जाओ. Who says Rahul Mandal says, how long will this session go? This session will end quickly, Rahul, don't worry. Okay, so now let's come to knowledge, guys. You need to have proper grammar knowledge. I know a lot of people say that you should speak English even when you're speaking it incorrectly. But I think if you're speaking it incorrectly, then in that way your confidence will never go up, and you will be scared of speaking English. So I think you should speak English definitely, even if your grammar is incorrect. But you should always keep correcting yourself and self analyzing yourself and giving yourself feedback, because if you go out in the world and you speak in front of them and you speak incorrect English, they're going to judge you, they're going to assess you on that basis, and you will be scared and you will feel threatened, right? So the first thing is knowledge is your biggest asset. You need to have knowledge about whatever you're speaking, whether it's politics, whether it's economics, whether it's mathematics, or whether it's English subject or a poem, right? Just have knowledge about it and think before you speak. Always, always think before you speak. Always take a 1 minute silence as your personal gesture of showing people that you're about to speak. So this pause is extremely important. आज रात को मैम आपका सेशन है या नहीं है? कनिका गर्ग, I have a session at 8 p.m. We are going to be covering a letter to God question answers in that session, and we're also going to be conducting quiz. ठीक है? ठीक है. Yes. Ankit says, आज देखो real name से आया हूँ मैं. ठीक है. Okay, Ankit. So now, guys, take care of this thing that knowledge is your biggest asset. Now, a lot of people suffer from stage fear. मेरी क्लास में कोई है जिसको stage fear है? टेल मी कि कोई बच्चा है जिसको स्टेज फियर है? स्टेज में जाने में मतलब एकदम हालत खत्म हो जाती है, टाइट हो जाती है, बहुत ही मतलब हालत ना आप लोग एकदम खराब हो जाती है स्टेज पे जाने में. Anybody has stage fear? I have a personal experience to talk about it, and I hope that will give you a lot of inspiration. Rahul Mandal says I have. Ankit says बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Fatma says नहीं है. But Atisha Jain says, ma'am, I have stage fear. Okay. Harsh says I have stage fear as well, and Ayush says I have stage fear as well. Alrighty. Okay, guys. So, okay. So, for the people who do not have stage fear, they can relate well with what I'm going to say. And for the people who do have stage fear, they will understand the things still. I think they will still understand what I'm trying to say. So, let me just tell you a quick story. It's not like the people who do not have stage fear do not actually have stage fear. Okay. I also do not have stage fear, and I also am very vocal about my ideas, and I have knowledge, so I am doubly vocal about my ideas because I think my ideas are perfectly correct and they are an amalgamation of everything that is correct in this world. But we all have stage fear. Okay, inside of us we all have stage fear. It's just that some of us go above it and beyond it, and some of us stay in our comfort zone and do not try to break through this stage fear. So what you need to do is, number one, what I tried to do. So since childhood, I had a fascination towards news anchors. Okay. So in my childhood, what I used to do was I used to go up on the stage and I used to read news. Okay. And when I'm reading news, what I need to do is just look at a paper and read news. And I did not used to look in front or let's say at the people. Okay. So these people, these students are standing in front of me and I'm not looking at them. I'm just looking at the paper and I'm reading, 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 reading. I did this, let's say, about 4 to 5 times. And then it just started coming to me because I was not afraid of going on the stage. I knew I had a piece of paper that can support me if I fall behind and if I let's say forget any idea. And I would not be afraid of the people because I have also seen them a lot many times before. So I think the biggest thing that you need to do is always go to the stage and read news. And if you do not have a stage, just read news at your home. Just read whatever you're doing, read it out loud. What you need to do is read it out loud. You need to always listen to yourself when you're reading, always, so that you can again do self analysis and give yourself feedback. Okay. So this is my personal experience, and this is how I broke through my stage fear. And even today, when I'm going on a stage, I am still scared. My legs still shake, but it doesn't matter to me anymore. And I feel that it's okay if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And if I'm correct, I'm correct. So I think the second thing you need to understand is the I don't care attitude. I will write this down for you guys. This has worked really well for me, to be honest, in my life. and I hope it works for you. The I don't care attitude. Once you have this I don't care attitude, no, it wouldn't matter how many people in front of you are. It wouldn't matter who is in front of you. So, whether it's somebody you like or you adore or you're inspired from or somebody you who is your idol, it would not matter when you have the I don't care attitude. When you don't have the I don't care attitude, that is exactly when you have the confidence. I'm honestly telling you. When you don't have sort of a fear, that is exactly when you have the confidence, right? It's so relatable, right? Obviously, it's relatable. मैं अपने स्कूल में एक इवेंट होस्ट भी किया था अंकित. That's great. That's great. um, मैम एक बार मुझे ड्रामा में रोल मिला, फिर उसमें मुझे डांस करना था एक लड़की के साथ 7th में पहले, तो मुझे लड़की के साथ शर्म आ रही थी, बट वो ठीक हो गया था प्रैक्टिस में. आयुष शाहन, ऑब्वियसली प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. Yes, Harsh, exactly. My मतलब is जो होगा देखा जाएगा, but it need not come from a negative place. जो होगा देखा जाएगा तब आएगा जब आप already practice कर चुके हो बहुत ज़्यादा और आपने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है उसके ऊपर. And now rather than getting tense कि oh my god क्या होगा, you should just be like कि अरे जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I have done this enough on my own. For example, आयुष को मैंने क्या बोला था? आयुष को मैंने बोला था कि भाई तुम ना 2 दिन खूब खेलो, मतलब इतना खेलो कि तुम खेलने वाला कुछ करो ही ना, और तीसरे दिन वो अपने आप थक जाओगे और अपने आप पढ़ने बैठ जाओगे. तो ये अपने आप होता है. तो आप इतनी प्रैक्टिस करो और एक बार को आप इतना तंग हो जाओ कि उसके बाद ना आपका दिल ही उठ जाए कि यार क्या करना है तंग होके, सेम ही चीज होनी है, या तो खराब होगा या सही होगा. It does not matter, and believe me, when you have the I don't care attitude, it always works well. It always works well. It, in case of stage fear, it does, to be honest. All right. Okay. टाइटल दिया कि मैं नारद मुनि हूँ. अच्छा, ठीक है मैम. इज दिस फियर इन पीपल अ बिट ऑफ ड्यू टू ग्लॉसोफोबिया एंड सोशोफोबिया? जानवी, देखो, ग्लॉसोफोबिया तो होता ही है कि फियर ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टेज फियर, व्हिच इज एग्जैक्टली फियर ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. एंड इट कुड कम फ्रॉम सोशियोफोबिया, बट आई थिंक सोशियोफोबिया इज मोर सीरियस. सोशियोफोबिया इज व्हेन you do not want people around you, when you do not want to do anything with the people in your society, and I think you get frustrated of people very easily. So that could be sociophobia. And stage fear is just more or less about the fear inside you that you cannot do this. And once you get this thing out of you through practice, that you cannot do this, you will always be able to do it. मतलब दिन में बस रखो कि मैंने बहुत practice कर लिया. I don't care. अब जो होगा जैसा होगा देखा जाएगा. And yes, one more thing. When you talk about English language speaking, okay, always take pauses. Always and always take pauses. Have you heard President Obama speaking? So when he was a president and he used to speak, he used to take long pauses when he was speaking, and he was speaking in English, right? So you would see any person who takes pauses, takes time to think. And when that happens, they are able to come up with a much more eloquent way of articulating what they're trying to say. And they are obviously much more thoughtful before saying anything. So I think taking pauses when you're speaking in English works the best. अब आपने देखा, आपने नोटिस किया, मैं जब ये बोल रही थी मैंने बहुत सारे pauses लिए थे, है ना? I did not use like. Actually, basically these are called fillers in language, right? So these are fillers कि भैया अभी कोई शब्द नहीं आ रहा है तो like बोल देते हैं, I mean बोल देते हैं, you know बोल देते हैं. Doesn't work out. Never works out. It will never make you confident. ठीक है? So never use fillers and always take pauses in your language whenever you're speaking. Do not take long pauses in the sense कि आप 1 मिनट तक चुप ही हो, सोच रहे हो कि भाई क्या बोलूं और लोग बोर हो रहे हैं कि भाई ये बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है. ऐसा मत करना यार. ठीक है? Just take pauses, short pauses, mini second pauses. Okay? Also, this will give you intonation. This will give you sort of fluctuation in your voice. This will give people time to understand what you are trying to say, and they will process it simultaneously. For example, if I keep speaking all the time in front of you in English, and I do not give you any time to process what I'm speaking, I just keep speaking constantly without taking any pause and without giving you any chance to understand what I'm saying, and I'm speaking fast and fast and fast. Would you be able to understand it? Would you be able to process this? Would you be able to take it back to your home and in your heart and understand it and analyze it? No. Exactly. No. कहते हैं ना, जितनी जल्दी वो चीज आप तक पहुंचती है उतनी जल्दी वो दूसरे कान से निकल जाती है, राइट? तो ऐसा ही होगा, जब आप, मैं जल्दी जल्दी बोलूंगी, आपका जो है इंसान जो भी आपसे बात कर रहा है वो जल्दी जल्दी बोलेगा, तो वो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, ऑलराइट। नेक्स्ट है राइट। सो गाइज, दीज आर द थ्री थिंग्स यू नीड टू डू. You need to always write. Please start writing in English, be it your personal diary, be it text to your friends, or let's say you're just talking to me in English and you're writing your comments in English. Makes perfect sense. You need to start writing in English. You also need to read more and more. Please read as much as you can. I will tell you, reading is the most basic thing in this world, and it will help you in improving your English the way nothing can, and also nobody can. All right, no teacher can improve your English until unless you want to improve your English. And if you want to improve your English, you will read anything, read anything you like. Read about politics, read about science, read novels, read fiction, read non-fiction, read anything that you like and it is in your interest to read it. But read something, always keep reading something. Okay. All right, next है speaking. Obviously, I think without any further ado, I should tell you that you also need to speak in English. It is the most basic thing. सही बोल रहे हो, गलत बोल रहे हो, self analysis चलता रहेगा साथ साथ, but you need to keep speaking. So what I do is, this is my favorite activity to do, and I'll tell you guys what I do. Whenever I'm watching a movie, okay, or I'm watching a series, and I'm really inspired by the character, or the character is amazing and I love the character, I always try to take up some dialogues and speak it like the character. And this is how you improve your accent as well. A lot of people say, ma'am, how can we improve our accent and how can we speak in English fluently? These are the ways that you need to apply. You need to take the dialogues of your character and speak them the way the character does. Okay, it will take you one time that you did not answer or the question correctly, or you did not said what the character said correctly, maybe two times, but third go will be perfect. Okay. So yes, I mean, Tanveer, come on, like if you do not read English, you will never be able to speak English, believe me. But ma'am, whom to talk in English? Abar Aishwal, I am there to talk. And you can talk to me in English. You can write comments all the time in English. And Abar Aishwal, I think it's really important to get a group of friends or a group of people around you who speak in English. For example, join Facebook groups who keep talking about things in English. Keep reading news, right? And some interesting news actually in English, in wherein you can also learn different words. So it's really important to embolden your vocabulary as well, right? What is important? Important it is to embolden your vocabulary as well. Okay? Okay. So now you control your mind. Always control your mind. See, our mind is our part. We are not mind's part. Remember that. Our mind is our part, right? And that is why we should be able to control our mind. We should be able to control our emotions. We should be able to control anything that upsets us, right? We should be able to control our reaction to it or our response to it. So we should not be afraid. देखो, ये जो डर है ना, इससे ना कुछ होता नहीं है लाइफ में, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बहुत लोग डर डर के जी लेते हैं और बहुत लोग बिना डरे जी लेते हैं. जो डर डर के जी लेते हैं उनका भी कुछ नहीं हो पाता है, जो बिना डर के जीते हैं उनका भी कुछ नहीं हो पाता है. सिर्फ उन लोगों का हो पाता है जो उस डर से ऊपर उठ के कुछ काम करते हैं, राइट? तो अगर आप लोग उस डर से ऊपर उठ चुके हो, यू डोंट केयर अबाउट इट. इफ यू डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, मेक सेंस. बट यू डोंट नीड टू केयर अबाउट इट व्हेन आप स्टेज पर जा रहे हो. उससे पहले यू नीड टू केयर अबाउट इट. ठीक है? सो आपको अफ्रेड कहाँ नहीं होना है? स्टेज पर नहीं होना है. बट अगर आप कोई प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं कर रहे हो सोच के कि मैं तो डरता नहीं हूँ, मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, ये है वो है, तो वो एकदम गलत अप्रोच है. वो फिर आप मेरी बात को ना कहीं और ले गए हो और उसको बहुत गलत तरीके से लगा रहे हो. ठीक है? हाँ राहुल मंडल, इसकी बात मैंने करी थी कि लोग आपको अंग्रेज बहुत बोलेंगे, बड़ाया अंग्रेज बोलेंगे, अंग्रेज का बच्चा बोलेंगे, बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, बिकॉज दे आर थ्रेटन बाय यू. They're threatened by somebody who's so fluent in English, and maybe they're not fluent in English, the ones who are saying this to you. ठीक है? एंगर कैसे कंट्रोल करें? मेरा तो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाता है. अंकित, एंगर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यू, यू आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ एंगर. तो जब भी आप गुस्से में आ जाते हो तो देखो, मेरे को लगता है ना, हर एक चीज़ का एक चीज़ होता है. आप 2-3 बार बहुत गुस्सा करोगे। हर एक इंसान अपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखता है, मैं कितना ही बोलूंगी ना, आप लोग को नहीं समझ आएगा। तो मैं कह रही हूँ कि करो गुस्सा भाई साहब, करो, एक बार बहुत गुस्सा करो, दूसरी बार बहुत गुस्सा करो। वो इतना गुस्सा करके आपकी इतनी एनर्जी वेस्ट होगी, आप इतना थक जाओगे ना कि उसके बाद जब नेक्स्ट टाइम वो होगा ना, तो आप कहोगे कि यार फिर वही सेम चीज हो रही है, मेरे को करने का ही नहीं है। राइट, फिर आप सेम चीज बोलोगे। तो आई डोंट थिंक कि यहाँ पर आपको ये बोलना है कि कैसे कंट्रोल करें। आई थिंक आपको ये देखना है कि हम कैसे एग्जॉस्ट हों वो चीज कर करके। राइट, तो दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन टेल यू गाइज। मैं गुस्सा किसी पर नहीं करता, ये ही तो बात है ना मैम। अच्छा अंकित, आप गुस्सा ही नहीं करते हो किसी पे? ओह माय गॉड। पता नहीं फिर आप कैसे रह लेते हो, क्योंकि भैया इस दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीजें जिन पे गुस्सा आता है। चलो, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वेयर टू स्टार्ट। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू गाइस दैट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू योर सेल्फ इन इंग्लिश। देखो, अपने से बात करोगे कोई मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकता, आप खुद ही अपना मजाक उड़ा सकते हो, और उसमें आप लोगों को बहुत मजा आएगा। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अपना खुद का मजाक उड़ाने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है इस पूरी दुनिया में। तो अपना मजाक उड़ाओ, है ना, खुद से बातें करो, इंग्लिश में बातें करो, एंड ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड पीपल ऑफ हायर अथॉरिटी, or let's say somebody who's older to you, to whom you can speak in English. Because people who are older to you will not bring you down for speaking wrong English or incorrect English. They may also not try to correct you because they don't care, but they will never put you down. All right, and your self analysis process will keep working, and in that way you will know your mistakes. ठीक है? Hi Lokesh. So guys, please take care that you start talking to yourself, you start reciting your favorite poems, you start reading the chapter out loud, you also start reciting the dialogues of your favorite character to yourself, so that way your accent can be improved, and also start talking to people in higher authority or people who are older to you in English. Okay, these two things you need to do, um, I would say 100%. Okay. अच्छा, टॉप स्टडी से सबसे सही है अमेजोन के कस्टमर केयर से इंग्लिश में बात करो, वो प्यार से ही बात करते हैं। ओह माय गॉड। ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर हेard आई हैव एवर heard दिस, एंड इट्स एक्चुअली प्रिटी इनोवेटिव। टॉप स्टडी भाई, किसी को करना है तो कर लो, बट उन बेचारे लोगों का सर मत खाना, कस्टमर केयर वालों का। 2 मिनट में फोन काट देना गाइस, ठीक है? एंड ट्राई नॉट टू डू दिस, you'll just be giving tension to somebody who doesn't want it. I think the next thing is to visualize it. So, for example, again, when I'm talking like a character, I visualize the whole scene so that I feel it. If you want to speak good English to other people and you want to have a good communication conversation, so to say, you need to visualize it first. Everything that you visualize comes true if you visualize it with intent enough, right? So, that is what you need to do. You need to visualize things in your mind so that they can help you out when something like that actually happens. So, whenever I am in a fight, so to say, something that I had visualized about that fight earlier always helps me when I'm in that fight. So I repeat the same dialogues that I had thought of previously, and that way my dialogues give me a lot of power and I win the fight mostly. Okay, so visualizing it is going to help you a lot. Haunted English Mandal. That was fun. तनवीर खान, क्या रॉन्ग हो गया? गूगल असिस्टेंट से पंगे ले सकते हो या गाइस, आई मीन get Siri and Google Assistant to talk to you. That's, I mean, today though you have a lot of options. In our times we did not, but today you have a lot of options. You can just go on Instagram and talk to anybody, right? So try that. Yes. Hi Rinky. I'm getting some really amazing things here. I think they will also enjoy. Okay, Google से voice पर English में बात करना पर कुछ okay. Alrighty. ठीक है, so guys, always try to visualize the situation that you're going to be in, and try to prepare for it beforehand so that you're not caught off guard. All right? Okay. And I think the next thing, and the again one of the most important things to take care of while you're trying to have a communication in English is exploring different channels. So I already talked about TV series or movies. I mean, for me, they are extremely fun and I love watching them and I love learning from them. But you will only learn the accent from there, you will only learn presentation from there. Movies and series will not give you vocabulary, will not give you ideas, because they are made for a sort of spoken purpose, right? They're not made for intellectual purpose. So I think in that case, you'll have to depend on books. So again, you need to read more, you need to read a lot of books, and you need to watch a lot of movies for preparation of spoken content, right? But for actual content, you need to read books and you need to talk to a lot of people. I think that goes without saying. You do need to talk to a lot of people. You can talk to Alexa, you can talk to this Google, you can also talk to customer care people, but you need to talk to people. ठीक है, ये लोनली वाली एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं होगा. लोनली वाली एग्जिस्टेंस में आप डर डर के रह जाओगे अंदर. ऑलराइटी. ठीक है गाइस, एक्सप्लोरिंग डिफरेंट चैनल्स भी अपने को क्लियर है. No, everybody watches English movies with subtitles. Don't worry, Mandal. Okay? Okay. Is this okay? All right. The next one thing that has always worked out for me is role playing. Now you can do this alone. तो ये आपका वही कैरेक्टर वाले प्ले में आ जाएगा कि भैया आप मूवी के कैरेक्टर की बात कर रहे हो, या फिर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ रोल प्ले कर सकते हो. तो in our time, what the teachers used to do. So once have you guys heard about Julius Caesar? Tell me quickly. Have you guys heard of Julius Caesar? Have you guys heard of Julius Caesar? Okay. Some say yes, some say no. So, guys, basically, Julius Caesar was a great leader, right? And he was basically living a long time back. And nahi, मैं 11 12 को नहीं पढ़ाती हूँ, Gaurav Gupta. So we had a poem in our syllabus, and it was how Julius Caesar was killed and how he said, "Et tu Brutus, कि तुम भी ब्रूटस, तुमने भी चाकू मारा मुझे." ठीक है, तो इस टाइप से जो है वो बोलता था, और वो एक पूरी हमारी कविता थी, पोम थी. तो हमारी जो मैम है, शी मेड इट सो फनी फॉर अस कि मतलब उनका पॉइंट नहीं था फनी बनाने का, हम बच्चा पार्टी थे तो हमने फनी बना लिया अपने आप. शी टुक मी एज द मेन हेड, एज मीन जूलियस सीजर. रियली हार्ड टू रिकलेक्ट. एंड थोड़े से और बच्चे थे जिन्होंने अलग अलग पार्ट्स प्ले किए थे, ठीक है, बेसिकली. तो हम लोग जो है ना रोल प्ले कर रहे थे क्लास में, और हम लोग डायलॉग्स बोल रहे थे उनके, और हम लोग देख देख के डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं, और बच्चे भी इतने डायलॉग भूल रहे हैं, और कोई कुछ भी बोल रहा है तो क्लास हंस रही है. सो इट बिकेम लाइक अ वेरी वेरी फनी एक्सरसाइज, बट द टीचर वॉज वेरी वेल इंटेंशन. शी wanted us guys to understand that English and to speak English, right? Because तब हमारे टाइम में 10वीं क्लास में हम लोग बहुत डरते थे इंग्लिश से. सभी लोग मतलब ऐसे थे कि अरे नहीं यार, नहीं आते, इंग्लिश नहीं बोलना. तो मेरा पार्ट था जूलियस सीजर का. ठीक है, तो वो जो टाइम था हमारा, वो एक बहुत ही फनी टाइम था, एंड वी रिमेंबर दैट एज सुप्रीमली फनी टाइम, बिकॉज हमारी क्लास में ज़्यादा फन होता नहीं था. इंग्लिश की क्लास में द टीचर वॉज थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिक्ट. So we remember that time, right? Now you can do this with your friends. You can obviously ask them to have a fun game with you, have a fun role playing game with you, and in that game you can be the Prime Minister of India, and they can be the Home Minister of India, and you guys can have a conversation in English. Although they too may not have a conversation in English, but you guys can have a conversation in English. You can be an actress that you like. You can be anybody you like, or anybody you want to be, basically. एंड जस्ट प्ले, राइट? जैसे हम लोग घर घर खेलते थे यार, पति पत्नी बन जाते थे, सास माँ और ये सब बन जाते थे. तो आप लोग कुछ और खेल लो, और इंग्लिश में खेल लो बस. ठीक है, द सिंपल थिंग इज इंग्लिश में खेल लो. ठीक है. अंकित, यही बात है कि एक बार रोल प्ले हो जाता है ना क्लास में, हम सब लोग इतनी ज्यादा मस्ती करते हैं कि फिर वो हो नहीं पाता है. सो इधर यू कैन डू दिस अलोन, कि मतलब आप वही अपनी टीवी सीरीज या मूवी के कैरेक्टर को उठा के उसके डायलॉग्स बोल रहे हो उसी की तरह, या फिर आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो है इमेजिनरी प्ले कर रहे हो. ठीक है, कोई भी एक रोल. Alrighty. Chaliye. And this is the last thing. This is when you're done with your role playing and when you're done with speaking with people, you should ask people to review you. It's very important to do self analysis, but it is also important to get feedback from other people and to get reviewed by other people. All right, because they may tell you something that you may not know about yourself. So it's very important to ask people to review you. And this is the last thing. And after this, we'll wrap up the class. So I think the major things that we have learned today are these. Number one, you need to have ideas. You cannot be blank. Second, you need to read a lot. You need to read a lot more books in order to have good content. You need to watch a lot of movies and series and imitate your favorite characters and speak their lines in order to get the best idea regarding the accent and regarding the pace of speaking. And the next would be that you need to do self analysis a lot more before you go in front of the people and speak in front of them. And the next would be role playing. You need to play these roles. So either you imitate your favorite character on your own, or you get your friends and you role play with them, and then you ask those people to review you. Okay. And the last things were that if you have stage fear, what you need to come up with is an I don't care attitude. And when you have this sort of an attitude, do not have this attitude in the negative sense, have this attitude in the positive sense, wherein you would be practicing hard for that thing and you would be practicing hard for that goal. But when you go to the stage, you need not get nervous. You just need to think, I don't care. Okay, I have done all that I could and it is all over. And then you go and give your best shot at doing whatever you were doing on the stage. It is also really important to sort of read a newspaper out loud and read news headlines out loud, because I think this worked well for me personally and it did give me a lot of confidence. Although I think I was one of the lucky ones who always had confidence and always had an I don't care attitude. But if you do not have that, if you're not blessed with it, you need to read newspaper a lot and you need to read it out loud so that you can get a hang of the words inside it, and you can also sort of remember what you read. Okay, you can listen to yourself speaking, and if you like how you are sounding, it's good. If you do not like it, change it by again imitating any other character and taking their way of speaking. Okay. uh yes, Harsh, I passed on your message about the book and I passed it on to the team, and I hope they can sort that issue out for you. Okay. तनवीर क्या लिखा है मैम? इंग्लिश अरे के ऊपर से पर हो क्या? शाम को क्या पढ़ाएंगे? ओके गाइस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू हैव एट 8 p.m. In this class, I'm going to be discussing question answers for this chapter, A Letter to God. Okay, and we're also going to be conducting a very short quiz on this chapter so that I know that you've learned it and you know this by heart. Okay. So I think guys, we are done with this session. If any one of you has any doubts, please let me know. Remember always to take pause when you're speaking. It is a good habit. Your pauses should not be long, but you should have intonation in your speech so that the people do not get bored of you. And the second thing, you can ascertain in your mind what you're going to speak. All right. So always take pauses. It is a good habit. It will help you review yourself in a better way. मेंटी क्विज गर्ल्स गेमिंग, इट विल नॉट बी मेंटी क्विज. मेंटी क्विज गाइस मैं संडे को कंडक्ट करूंगी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पर मिला के. तो मेंटी क्विज हमारी संडे को होगी. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्विज, अ शॉर्ट क्विज. Okay, girls gaming. All right, guys. I need another help from you, other students who are here in the class. I need another help from you. What I need you guys to do is, once this session is over, please remember everybody, once this session is over, all of you will write below comments of the grammar topics you want me to cover, and they should be related to basic series that we're doing. And the second thing, chapter you want me to cover. And another thing, I have already told you that we're going to conduct a quiz on Sunday. All right, and this will be Menti. Also, guys, please tell me the time which suits you. All right, please tell me the time which suits you. At this time, I will be shifting my classes because I see at 8 p.m. a lot of students are not comfortable. So I will be shifting my classes. Once my class ends, comment below this video. There is a comment section. Comment exclusively in that section telling me about the grammar topics you want me to cover and telling me your time preference. Okay, these two things. And this is your last chance. I will be locking both of these options and you will not be able to change them. So please take care. I'm repeating again, once this session ends, which is going to end in about 1 minute, you will comment below this video and I will check all those comments right now that related to the grammar topics that you want me to cover and also regarding the time at which you want my classes to be, because I know that many students are not comfortable with 8 p.m. timing. All right. Okay. Yes, I will end the stream, guys. Now, bye bye. I will take your leave. We will meet at 8 p.m. today and we will complete the chapter A Letter to God. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.